Vice President Sara Duterte's apocalyptic vision of the country falling into ruin as a result of her impeachment by the House drew a slew of mockery from House Solons who signed the impeachment form. She was roasted even more by her poor analogy of impeachment and being ditched by a lover, as we hear more from our Mela Lismoras.
God save the Philippines. Yes, we agree. God save the Philippines mula sa mga Duterte, lalong-lalo na kay VP Sara Duterte. At mangilabot naman si VP Sara sa pagsasabi ng God save the Philippines dahil sa madaming pagkakataon, she failed to save the Philippines.
This was the response of Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya to Vice President Sara Duterte's statement saying she hopes God will save the country after being impeached by the House of Representatives. According to Sendanya, instead of asking God for help, VP Sara should first explain the serious allegations against her. The lawmaker also had a remark regarding VP Sara's statement that losing a partner is more painful than impeachment.
Gusto kong sabihin kay VP Sara, hindi ito usapin ng jowaan. Usapin ito ng public accountability at pananagutan.
According to Surigao del Norte 2nd District Representative Robert Ace Barbers, their support for the impeachment of VP Duterte was well-founded and not influenced by any amount of aid or money. With 215 congressmen officially signing as complainants and 25 more seeking to join, Barbers underscored a clear and unmistakable message and collective will of the Filipino people.
Nagkaroon po ng consultation ng mga political parties, no? Sila po ay nabigyan ng kopya nitong complaint na ito, pinag-aralan, inanalyze po nila at pumirma po ang ibang mga membro na sumang-ayon po dito. At wala hong kapalit dito. Ito ang issue po dito ay transparency, accountability, at saka rule of law, no? Yun ang ating dito. Kailangan magkaroon din tayo ng ng paninindigan na magkaroon ng hustisya.
In an interview, House Speaker Martin Romualdez said they who signed the impeachment complaint leave it up to the Senate to decide when to begin the impeachment trial.
Yung impeachment, sir, minamadali ba niyo ba yung Senado to conduct the hearing?
No, it's up to them.
Wala kayong sinigit na.
It's up to them. We leave it up to their sound discretion.
Meanwhile, House Senior Deputy Majority Leader Sandro Marcos had this to say on why he was the first to sign the impeachment complaint.
Now, as to why I was the first one to sign, alangan naman kung sasabihin ng tao na gusto nilang huhukayin yung lolo mo at itapon yung katawan sa West Philippine Sea. Sasabihin niya gusto niyang patayin ang Pangulo at ang First Lady ng aking magulang at gusto niyang patayin ng Speaker. Ba't naman nagugulat ang tao na pipirma ako dyan? You know, these are statements that can't be taken lightly, especially from someone with such a high position. So, nagtataka na nga ako kung bakit nagulat yung tao. Alam nga naman kung sasabihin mo, huhukayin mo lolo ko. Of course, I'll be the first one to sign. That should come as no surprise. So that's why I was the first one to sign.
From PTV, Mela Lismoras, Balitang Pambansa.